Today we are making the pineapple Dole Whip. The kind that you get from the tiki room in the tiki room. We're going to be making that, but we're going to be making the Dole Whip Float. The kind with the Dole Whip in the middle and then you pour the juice on and it's just double goodness. We are making that. Let's try it.
Grab your whipped cream and like the 80s band once sang, whip it good. But don't whip it too good because you will be whipping it again later, so you don't want it to be at its full peak. Add your icing sugar to the mix, then add your vanilla paste or extract. Start to whip your whipped cream again and stop when you see peaks forming. Pour in that delicious pineapple juice. Now you're going to cheat a little bit and add in some vanilla ice cream. Stir your ice cream into your whipped cream mixture until it's completely combined. Then you'll want to add in a little bit more pineapple juice and just keep tasting it as you go on and just add a little bit more pineapple juice if you want it to be more pineapple-y, or if you want it to be more vanilla-y, then obviously don't add more pineapple juice in. Pour your mix into a gallon bag and freeze until it's the consistency of soft serve ice cream. This should take about 4 hours. Take your cup and your ice cream and go ahead and pipe it into the bottom of the cup. Then you'll want to add in your pineapple juice before you add in the rest of your ice cream. Once the cup is about 3/4 of the way filled, you'll want to start adding in the rest of your ice cream. And would a Dole Whip be complete without a little umbrella?
Looking at this just makes me feel like I'm right at Disneyland, sitting in that tiki room on a hot summer's day and sipping on this beautiful Dole Whip Float. Takes me back to the good old days. Anyway, let me know what you think about this recipe. Let me know if you give it a try as well. Till next time.